Beyblade tournament, that's where I'm going. I've got three presents for three of my friends who have been helping me from the last 7 to 11 years in Beyblade. Yup, this is a rare Wallbog and a Galleon, Dranza Bit Chip, and some other rare Beyblade parts. And I think this is the gem on the top of the cake because this is Uriel too. All things packed, everything set. Pretty sunny year. It's gonna be my first X tournament. Wizard Rod and Wing Phoenix. This is what I plan to use. The colors actually match. It's weird, but they do match. My ferry's on its way, and yep, we have to cross a creek. The last time I participated in a tournament was back in 2018-2020. And oh gosh, it was amazing. Absolutely fabulous, guys. I enjoyed every bit of it. If you guys want to watch that Beyblade Burst tournament, I'll put a link down in the description. Beyblade X is a totally different game, and I wanted to experience it. By the time I reached Dulli in Andheri, these guys were already playing. So the game is pretty simple. You choose 3 opponents, you battle against them. The blader with the highest points climbs straight to the semi-finals. And to be honest, I did. I scored 12 points. I won 3 battles, 4 points each, just using one Beyblade, Wizard Rod.
Or target, depending on the weight distance.
We are right now in the semi-finals. I have reached the semi-finals and I've got Wizard Rod with me, and I'm facing against the Master Blader Neil. Alright, ऐसा लग रहा है कि
Okay, guys.
That's why I asked him elimination है कि नहीं.
Blade is ready.
Wait, I call. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, 1 point in.
that was lucky. After that he'll spin.
Luck playing a big part in this game.
3, 2, 1, let it rip.
Wow, these are nice. Okay.
Stress.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, let it rip.
So Neil is a pro blader. I think this is my first Beyblade tournament, so I'm still an amateur. I'm trying to get up. But let's see how it goes. What should I have used?
Attack has chances. It's very very risky option, but at least they have a chance to win.
अभी change नहीं कर सकते.
वो deck format नहीं है ना.
I make the right investments. क्या करें?
Few people don't have that many ways. Oh, balance देख bro, crazy balance हुआ.
Last point for Neil.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, let it rip.
Oh, 2 points. Thank you, Neil. Very good. Nice playing.
Guys, spirit, guys.
Right. So we go for attack. Next time we are going to use attack time. The first tournament which I hosted and I was a participant of was back in 2007. Yes, that was quite long back. Since then, I have participated in like tens and hundreds of tournaments. The ones that I enjoyed and cherished the most were the tournaments from the World Beyblade Organization. The first WBO tournament that I participated in was in 2012. Oh, it was the Metal Fight Beyblade era. And gosh, it was so fun. If I remember correctly, I placed third in that tournament. At this tournament, I gave a couple of free Beyblades to some people. I asked questions. If the blader answered correctly, I gave Beyblades to them. The joy on their faces was absolutely adorable. Tanya, I have a question for you. If you can tell me which was the first Beyblade that was ever released, I'll give you this launcher grip.
Ultimate Dragon or Spin Dragon.
Is that right? Ritik, is that right?
I'm not.
He doesn't know. Okay, take this is your prize.
Are you serious?
Jonathan, choose anyone. Okay, that's for you. Brendan, hi. So, can you tell me which is the last and the final Beyblade of Kai in G Revolution? If you tell me, I give you this way.
Bronze MS.
Bronze MS?
Yes.
Is it right? Have you all watched the anime G Revolution?
I have watched. What was the question? Not sure, but I'm very.
The last Beyblade of Kai in G Revolution.
Bronze MS.
Bronze MS, 100 MS. Okay, this is for you. Brendan, congratulations. Good.
Bronze V2.
Yeah, Bronze V2. Hey Ritik, so can you tell me the names of all the protagonists from Bakuten Shoot Beyblade till Beyblade X? If you can tell me that, I'll give you this ultimate shooter, Dragoon. Okay, let's try. Bakuten Shoot Beyblade, anyone from Bakuten Shoot Beyblade? There's only one. Nice shot, no problem. Okay, come on. Time is ticking. Easy है ना protagonist easy है.
First, what's the question? Wait. What's the question?
अरे थोड़ा डर गया. ठीक है. Kai protagonist. Is it correct?
Tyson.
Okay, Tyson protagonist है बराबर. अभी Beyblade Metal Fight Beyblade में कौन है?
Jenga Gani, bro.
Okay, जिंगा गाने. अभी Beyblade X में कौन है? नहीं Beyblade Burst. बराबर. Okay, अभी X. Bird. Correct. Okay, Ritik, this is yours. Jabardast. Good. Ronak, hi. Can you tell me what is the name of this launcher grip? Without looking so much.
I don't know about plastic chains much. Dragoon V's launcher.
Okay, almost right. This is the Dragoon V2 RC launcher. So this is as a gift for you.
Thank you so much.
There's one lesson that I learned from this Beyblade tournament, and that is Beyblade is for fun. It's not about winning, it's not about losing, it's not about being the best. It's about enjoying the game, playing because you have fun, you relax, you build friendship, you build community, and in the end, it is love and friendship that will last forever. Anthony, this thing is for you. Is it called a gacha something?
Oh, yeah,
Can you open it?
Gacha you get from the
Can you-
Japanese vending machine.
Yeah. Can you open it?
Sure.
And just tell us maybe one or two that you've gotten for this.
Okay. I see a lot of different eras, to be honest.
I've given you red because you are still on fire with Beyblade.
Yeah.
Red oranges.
This is a base. This is from Zero G.
Zero G, that's
Friendship protector.
yeah.
There's a lot happening here. I'll just keep this aside over here for a bit. Okay. And mostly, I'm not well versed in burst. So, now
That's Dronza, yeah.
Is it Dronza itself? Or
Yeah,
is it like
Dronza
a
itself, along with
Because
this.
it looks a bit different. That's
it
what I was
looks
wondering.
yeah, but this
Okay.
for Dronza.
This is from, I think it's a random booster of pack.
Twisted Tempo,
right?
because
But
you have
it's
still stayed timeless with Beyblade.
Yeah. Thank you.
And Metal Face
Metal Face.
for staying strong and keeping and holding the community strong.
Thank you so much. I need to keep this because these keep getting wrecked
Yeah.
during
Yeah,
our
yeah,
matches.
yeah.
Thank you so much.
Good. Thanks, Anthony. You've been great doing in Beyblade. That's why I wanted to give you that gift. I've got something for Chaitanya also. So Chaitanya, ये आपके लिए है. Can you open it?
Actually,
Okay, you've got Wallbog, which I could not give away, so that's for you. And you also have got Galleon. So thanks a lot for helping me. It's been 10 years. I'm back, and that's about the Beyblade tournament. It was exciting, it was fun, it was thrilling, and it was extremely exhausting. A lot of energy going to the tournament, but that is how you build community, that's how you build brotherhood, that's how you build friendship. A lot of sacrifice, a lot of fun. Anyway, until we meet again, bye bye, peace.